Still struggling to park or reverse safely? A good backup camera can make all the difference. Welcome to Backup Camera Part 4, where we're checking out some of the best backup cameras on Amazon designed for clearer views, safer parking, and easier driving. Stick around to see which one is worth installing in your car. And subscribe for more smart car gadgets and tech upgrades. At number 1 we have eRapta Wireless Backup Camera. Connect the backup camera to the reversing light or vehicle power supply. 2. Connect the monitor with the car charger, only 2 steps for your installation. Throw away the complex wiring between the camera and monitor, time-saving and efficiently. With HD 1080p high resolution and IR night vision, this partial wireless camera system allows to provide instant clear driving view. Available for activating the function of DVR after inserting a SD card, not included, into the monitor, you can get loop video recording and playing back for your driving trip all the time. The AWTL7 enables up to 2 cameras added with full/split screen setting. Please apply for additional camera at ASIN B0CS39BKG1 on your need. With a last Sunris transmission chip, this backup camera system for truck has 2.4 GHz transmission speed with high stability and vivid instant images, making driving safer. The transmission distance between camera and monitor can be up to 40 feet for continuously vehicles, up to 300 feet for open areas. At number 2 we have ZEROXCLUB Wireless Backup Camera. Experience anti-interference, no delay monitoring with 4th Gen HICV digital signal, 110 feet range. Applicable for vehicles 12 to 24 volts, up to 65 feet length, delivering stable, crystal clear road visibility, your reliable co-pilot. Featuring full HD 1080p resolution for sharp visuals, the monitor provides clear viewing day and night. The capacitive touch buttons provide responsive control while their waterproof design prevents water ingress through button, ensuring reliable operation. The included suction cup mount offers flexible windshield placement for optimal viewing angles. Eliminates blind spots with side view cameras while supporting single, dual, or quad view modes for flexible visibility. Featuring a built-in 32GB SD card that records driving footage, we recommend formatting SD card regularly to maintain recording reliability. Infrared LEDs plus CCD sensor detect obstacles in darkness, lawns, curbs, debris, clean camera lens periodically for optimal night vision. At number 3 we have AUTO-VOX 2 Solar Backup Camera. Fixed plus flexible dual cameras, the solar backup camera is your everyday helper, always ready in reverse with no frequent remounting hassle. The second trailer wireless camera adds flexibility, moving easily between trailers, campers, or other tow vehicles whenever needed. 3 minutes quick install, no drilling or messy wiring. The wireless backup camera for trucks can be mounted with screws for a permanent setup or placed with the magnetic base for temporary use. Plug the 7.2 monitor into your vehicle's lidar and start driving in minutes. Travel-ready design, ideal for RV owners. Detach your camper at the campsite and drive your truck alone. The fixed-plate backup camera for truck stays with your pickup, so you always keep a clear rear view for errands or local drives. The 16:9 wide HD RV backup camera wireless with monitor delivers a balanced rear view. Dual split screen lets you check your trailer and blind spots side by side, perfect for lane changes, merging onto highways, or backing into campsites. At number 4 we have eRapta HD Backup Camera System Kit. Upgrade your vehicle's safety and visibility with this advanced reversing camera system, designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of vehicles including RVs, trailers, motorhomes, trucks, and campers operating on DC 12 to 24 volts power systems. The highly compatible design ensures reliable performance across different vehicle types, making it an ideal solution for both personal and commercial use. Equipped with a built-in DVR, the system supports loop recording and video playback, automatically overwriting older footage when the SD card is full so you always have the most recent recordings available for reference or evidence when needed. The large 10.1-inch HD monitor with 1080p resolution provides a wider and clearer viewing experience, helping drivers see surroundings more easily while reversing or driving. Powered by an ARM DSPS high-speed processor, the system also delivers enhanced night vision with improved color and clarity, allowing you to maintain visibility even in low-light conditions. At number 5 we have ZEROXCLUB Backup Camera Kit. Full HD 1080 resolution gives you a unique visual experience. The capacitive buttons don't need press. Only put finger on the button in the sensing area, can be recognized by the machine. It gives you a sleek interface that cleans up easily. Upgrade digital wireless signal Adoptic V 4th generation digital signal, 100 feet anti-interference no delay, applicable for vehicles within 65 feet vehicle 12 to 24 volts, give you a stable and clear monitor of road condition, be your reliable assistant. The wireless backup camera provides complete blind spot coverage on the passenger's side, ensuring zero blind zones during driving. It supports single, dual, triple, or quad split-screen viewing modes, allowing you to monitor multiple areas around your vehicle simultaneously. Infrared light and CMOS sensor accurately to capture crisp images from even in the dim condition. Closed with a metal gel, still work for you even at rain/snow/fog, provide you all-day intimate monitoring. At number 6 we have Venluna Magnetic Backup Camera. 1-minute magnetic installation. 6 powerful magnets enables tool/drill/wire-free setup on any metal surface in 1 minute. Soft rubber base to avoid scratches, monitor powered by cigarette lighter. 7-inch 1080p and 4 channels. Venluna wireless backup camera features a 1080p HD monitor delivering a wide crystal clear view, with 4-channel support for up to 4 cameras. Solar-powered and 15,000 mAh large capacity battery. 24H usage on full charge. Solar panel extends battery life for long trips. Note, solar is not the primary charging method. Adjustable angle and night vision. 170 degrees ultrawide lens to eliminate blind spots at all angles. Advanced IR night vision ensures clear dark visibility. IP69 dust/waterproof for extreme weather. Stable signal and auto sleep equipped with advanced 2.4G wireless and dual antennas to ensure stable, interference-free signal up to 500 feet. 30s auto sleep after display power off saves energy. Default on loop recording auto stores and overwrites oldest footage. At number 7 we have Fookoo wireless RV backup cameras. Simple installation. Most RVs are already equipped with Furrion pre-wired and mounting locations, and this unique Fookoo camera fits on a Furrion pre-wired mount, eliminating the need for extensive drilling. Even if your vehicle doesn't have a pre-wired bracket, the installation is convenient. Just fix the camera and connect it to the vehicle's power supply. Quad split screen and full HD stunning visuals. 7 inches IPS monitor provides with crisp images and parking lines. Equipped with touch buttons, a touch of the response, faster and more convenient operation. With auto dimming, screen will automatically adjust the right brightness. Night driving will not be affected. It can support up to 4 cameras for full coverage and display in split screen mode. IP69 waterproof rear view camera with night vision. The HD rear camera with IP69 waterproof and 120-degree viewing angle brings you the best view and longer product life. The HD side camera with IP69 waterproof and 120-degree viewing angle brings you the best view and longer product life. At number 8 we have VEKOOTO VK72 wireless backup camera. Upgrade your vehicle safety in minutes with this wireless magnetic backup camera system, designed for quick and hassle-free installation. The setup takes just about 3 minutes. Simply plug in the 7-inch HD monitor and attach the magnetic camera to any metal surface on your vehicle. With no drilling, wiring, or complicated tools required, it provides a clean and convenient solution for cars, RVs, trailers, and trucks. The system uses a 2.4 GHz digital wireless signal with strong anti-interference capability and a transmission range of up to 328 feet in open areas. Its integrated circular antenna improves signal stability, bandwidth, and reduces latency compared to traditional external antennas. The 7-inch IPS touchscreen monitor with 1024x600 resolution provides clear, vivid images and intuitive touch controls for easy setup and video playback. Built-in loop recording continuously saves footage and automatically overwrites the oldest files when storage is full. A 32 GB TF card is included, with support for cards up to 128 GB. At number 9 we have eRapta 4 wireless backup camera. This is a totally wireless RV camera system. It's highly compatible with RV, truck, camper, horse-tiller, tractor. Secure the cameras in any metal surfaces of your vehicle to provide views you need. Just turn on the cameras and plug and play the monitor. Loop recording and playback, built-in DVR. The reversing backup camera system support recording, which is easy to find the video evidence if needed. The system can automatically delete the old contents when the SD card is full, bringing us more convenience. Please remind that the SD card is not included. Full/split/quad screen available. The ACT 104 comes with 4 cameras and can be set into full/split/quad channels in the screen that provides views in any position you need, either outside view or inside view, horse trailer, RV monitoring, etc. Strong magnetic base in the camera makes it so easy to work. Rechargeable Li-ion battery, built-in 9600 mAh large capacity battery, breaking the capacity limit, ultra-long life. No need for additional power, truly wireless camera. At number 10 we have ZEROXCLUB 10 wireless backup camera. The 10-inch large monitor features the latest IPS panel, maintaining vivid images and color accuracy to ensure the best driving/reversing experience. With a native resolution of 1920x1080, our wireless backup camera system is compatible with a wide range of vehicles. Equipped with an upgraded digital signal receiver, it offers a transmission speed of up to 95 miles per hour and a range of 130 feet, providing you with a strong and stable wireless signal. The ZEROXCLUB 10-inch RV wireless camera system works seamlessly with vehicles up to 65 feet, easily cover blind spots and revert crystal clear vision with 2 rear cameras and 2 side cameras offering a 120 degrees wide-angle view. It supports single, dual, or quad view modes, allowing you to monitor your surroundings simultaneously. Parking guidelines can be turned on or off as needed, making parking easier and safer. Whether you're driving in rain, snow, or fog, the ZEROXCLUB IP69K waterproof backup camera is built to handle it all. Simply connect the camera to your vehicle's running lights or reverse lights, and plug the monitor into the car charger.